Our next little segment in the 48 step Tai Chi form is just to keep going, basically. So we did 1, we did 2. We step back with the right foot and present the right arm. Left hand on the right elbow, wipe across, turn the waist and turn that left foot in on the heel to bring your hands over to the side. Fingertips against the heel of the hand, and we're going to use this bony part. We're going to slice all the way back. Once we get as far back as we can, we lift the hand forwards, push, make your bird's beak. I then turn that left foot in a bit more on the heel, so I can then pull in. I can use the left hand to scoop if I want to, pull across, and I'm doing a single whip. Now I'm going to do cloud hands to the right, so I turn to the left to start with. Left hand is going to go anti-clockwise, right hand is going to go clockwise. 1, 2, 3. I'm holding the ball on the left. After that, we go into a really long sequence that is very, very similar to the 24. But let's try and get this bit done first. So we'd finished where the right arm was up, the right knee was up. We step back, present, wipe, down and pull in, bony part of the thumb, across, push, bird's beak, pull, single whip, cloud hands. 1, 2, 3, you're holding the ball on the left. I'll do that in a different direction now. Hang on a minute. So we had our right knee up, step back, present, wipe, down in and turn that foot, bony part of the thumb, push, bird's beak, pull across, single whip, cloud hands. 1, 2, 3, and hold the ball on the left. Once we've got the ball on the left, this little bit of the 24 heaven that you've been waiting for because you know how to do it. Ball on the left, part wild horse's mane on the right. Pull back, part wild horse's mane on the left. High pat on horse, step in, present, present. Over the top, push and pull, exactly the same. Cross the hands, turn the left palm down, little step to the right, push down, cross the hands left over right, turn and lift the right knee, separate, kick with the right heel, come down, make your fists, lift your elbows over the top and bring your forearms together, push down and do your box opponent's ears. This time you're going to open the hands, sink back, but you're not going to move the foot anywhere, you're not turning. So you just come back into it, cross the hands right over left this time, turn the palms, lift the knee, separate, heel kick with the left foot. Your hands ended up here, let them drop down and make a fist with the right hand, and you're hiding it with the left one. And we're going to go that way. So step around the cat of the dog, and as you come forward, and by forward I mean bring the weight from your right leg into your left by bending the left knee. At the last minute, pull the left hand out the way and do a ball tap, is what somebody in my class calls it. A tap with the hand. And then just open the hand, step in right to left, bring the hands around, you recognize this one, little brush over the top to needle at C bottom. That's a really nice little sequence there, and it's all just the 24. So, what on earth direction did I do that in? Right, this must be the other one. So I finish, no, it can't be. Started there. Step back, present, wipe across, pull down and turn that foot in, bony part of the thumb, come around, I do my single whip. Wave hands like clouds. 1, 2, 3. Hold the ball on the left. I've already done this way. Hang on a minute. Right then, so it must be this way. So I start there, step back, wipe across, pull down, turn that foot in. Single whip. Cloud hands. 1, 2, 3. Hold the ball on the left. Part wild horses main 1. Part wild horses main 2. High pat on horse. Cross the hands. Turn the left palm down. Little step. Push out and down. Left hand over right. Turn and lift. Separate. Kick the right heel. Box opponent's ears. Open the hands. Kick with the left heel. Bring that toe down. Bring the hands down in front. Make the fist and hide it with the left hand. Step out. Ball tap. Step in. To your needle at sea bottom. And that little mishmash of information is your next section in the 48 form. Let's try and do it this way. So if I had started and down.